In this video, we will customize the amount of coffee in each of the 2 buttons of your Nespresso machine. It is useful for those machines with double button compatible with Nespresso capsule. These are the main brands. We will be able to configure the short coffee button or the long coffee button, one or both, whatever you want. To start, we need our Nespresso machine to be on and warm. We choose the button we want to customize the amount and press it. Until when? Well, up to the amount that we think is convenient for the machine to memorize it. When we reach the amount we want, we release and we will see the button blink 3 times. The amount is already memorized. From now on, every time we press the long coffee button, the amount of coffee we have chosen will be displayed. We check it by putting a new cup, pressing the long coffee button and seeing if the amount is the same. While we do the test and show it to you, we leave here a link in case you want to return to the factory settings on your Nespresso machine. As you can see, it has memorized your amount of coffee perfectly. Let's hope that all those Nespresso users found it useful. See you in the next video.